Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can read Omniscient Reader. So if you're trying to read Omniscient Reader in Webtoon, then this video is for you. The first step is to open Webtoon. Once you've opened it, just go to your search bar at the top right corner and now type in Omniscient Reader. So after you type this in, you can see at the top the option of Omniscient Reader. Just go ahead and tap there and now you're in the preview. So you can watch or read this, and if you like it, then just tap on continue to read and now just read them. Guys, there you go. That's how you read Omniscient Reader in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.